2017 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 1,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front-wheel drive, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, satellite radio, engine immobilizer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.